Hi guys, so today I want to show you guys how to make my favorite salsa and pretty much everyone's favorite salsa. That's so conceited to say, but like my family loves my salsa and my friends love it, so it's really easy. People think it's really complicated, but it's actually not. So let's just get right into it. Okay, start with tomato. Doesn't really matter how you cut it. And then I'm just gonna roast these. See that? Okay, cool. Roast them and break it down. So just let it chill for a second. Next, I'm gonna go do my other dense vegetables.
Babe, goddamn, cut the shit and put it in there. Niggas don't need to see the jalapenos up close.
So for 4 tomatoes, you probably want to use 5 serranos.
Definitely use a lot less than us. I just grab them by the handful, to be honest.
Secret ingredient to salsa, it's gonna be carrots. This honestly makes the salsa what it is. I love adding carrots. Actually, my cook taught me that from my restaurant job. He was the one that told me, he's like, put a carrot in it and it's gonna make it really creamy and like somewhat sweet, and it's really good. Because you're gonna put this in the processor, you don't really need to cut it to really small pieces. It's gonna be blended up anyway. Bring it to medium low now that everything is hot, and just let it simmer and extract all the flavors, and then we'll check on this in about 20 minutes. What I'm gonna do is just open it, check on them, give them a little spin, see how they're doing. I'm probably gonna season right now. Alright, so let's hit it with some garlic salt. I've mentioned this in a lot of my other videos. The Knorr veggie broth is literally life-changing. Like, you absolutely need it. No dish is ever gonna be the same without it. Alright. Continue to simmer on low. The most dense thing in here is the carrots. As you can see, they're still kind of hard and not translucent. So at this point, my veggies are translucent, and I'm gonna transfer them from the pot to the blender, and then salt as needed. You see how they're really soft? I have to show them how it's like, I can pretty much stab anything through the carrots. The carrot is what you worry about the most. Like, your only concern, just because they're so dense, they have to be really soft to be able to blend. Okay.
Right there.
I go all day with it. Done.
Was it too hot?
No.
Okay. So you can obviously eat it like this. It's fucking bomb. If you like the consistency of like a taco shop salsa, all you have to do is add more water and add salt. But this is pretty thick, but I like my salsas thick. You can eat it like this, but it's really good with cilantro in it. So we're gonna put this away for a little bit, and then once it cools down, we'll add cilantro, and then we'll come back, taste it, add salt if needed. So we'll be back. I like to make these little bouquets of cilantro and leave them in the fridge, because when they're in the bag, they go bad faster because there's a lack of oxygen, there's moisture, so they're just gonna go bad. Basically just get a glass jar, fill it with water, and then put your cilantro. It's like a cute little bouquet. But your cilantro fresher longer.
Hey!
Okay, so now that this has cooled down a little bit, okay, so now that this has cooled down for about like an hour or so, we're going to add the cilantro. Okay, wait. Alright, let's see if we like the consistency.
My favorite part.
Should we get a little readier?
I think it's good.
I think salt.
Is that good?
So this is really thick. It's almost like,
Like chunky salsa.
yeah, it's like kind of like chunky salsa. But if you want, keep blending it, add more water. It's really up to you. However you like your salsa. So, if you want to make it bomber, we're gonna do this.
How many you want to do?
I mean, like a whole one. See how we're all enchiladas already? That's my favorite. Okay. So I'm gonna stir it.
Chip stir. Love it.
I'm gonna like zoom in on your face on that one.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm just excited to eat. We haven't ate all day.
Bomb. That's fire. But anyway, salsa goes good on everything. This will be, it'll be gone in like a week. But it's nice to just have in the fridge because when Stacey's hungry, you can just get chips, salsa. It's already made. It's really, really good. It's a good snack.
I love it, but I'm always gonna chips and salsa.
You're so lucky to have me.
Blood.
This is so bomb.
So blood.
We're so happy with this food round. But this recipe is my family recipe and I love it. We love salsa. There's always like 10 different salsas at our family events. And by family events I mean just we all hang out like every weekend just to eat. Oh yeah.
Like December, you come with a dish. Don't come empty-handed.
Take this to any potluck, any family event, any friend gathering, whatever. People will go crazy. People love salsa. It's good on everything. You can tone it down. If it's too spicy, add water to it. If it's too thick, add water to it. It's not thick enough, add a chile to it. I didn't even put enough chiles in this. I ended up cutting a fresh chile and just putting it in, and the blender was able to get it. So you can always play around with it. I don't do like specific seasonings like, oh, a tablespoon of salt or whatever. I don't do that. I just like season as I go and then I taste, which I recommend for you guys to do because I don't know, everyone has different tastes. I like really limey and spicy stuff. Not everyone likes that. So just tone it down as much as you like. Anyway, this is my salsa, my favorite salsa. It's so dear to me. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know how your family likes it, how your friends like it, how you like it. Fuck around and put some chiles de árbol in it, chiles de California. Fuck around, put whatever habanero you want. Like, let me know how it goes. I really would love to hear your guys' feedback on this.